Today, I will show you the history of the birth of the cuckoo bird through this video. Cuckoos first find nests of birds that have laid eggs.
Then the cuckoo takes the opportunity and leaves the other bird's egg there.
The mother bird thought it was her own egg and started laying it. 2 weeks later, the eggs hatched. But the bird does not know whether the baby is hers or the cuckoo's. The bird takes care of the baby cuckoo and raises it.
Meanwhile, the newly hatched cuckoo throws the other eggs out of the nest.
The baby bird manages to drop the eggs with great effort. Thus, the baby cuckoo occupies the entire nest. This is how the cuckoo baby is nurtured and nurtured by the other bird. Through the strange phenomena of nature, various creatures survive.